Okay, let me show you how this works. Now when I press play again, the camera will actually remember your last position. However, I find when you do this and go into drive mode again, it is highly susceptible to resetting itself like you saw earlier. Let's have a look. Okay, I'm going to click on the screen. Yep, I was afraid of that. Oh well, that's not what I wanted to show you anyway. Let's go ahead and pause this for a minute. Do you notice on the playback window it says tick here? Right now it says 711 out of 1180. And up here under time it says 10 seconds out of 17. These both correspond to each other. Ticks are the way the demo records the data that occurs in your scene. It uses them to record the differences in time in the demo, then uses the engine to fill in the gaps when it plays it back. Now you can actually jump around to different parts of the demo this way by entering the tick number you want in this box here. Now unfortunately there's no ratio of how many ticks are equal to 1 second. It varies with each demo. So you'll have to give it your best guess based on the percentage of the demo it's already completed. I'm going to enter in 100 here, then press go to. Boom, it just reset everything and went back in time. Now you'll notice even though I entered in tick 100, it jumped to tick 105. It simply rounds to whatever tick number it likes best sometimes. It's still going to be within milliseconds of your original time specified. Oh, and while I'm on the topic, I should mention it's generally a good idea not to start too early with where you're scanning. This demo here, for instance, I found that the game would lock up if I tried to scan to a tick that came much before number 100. This only applies to the ticks at the beginning, so it's really not an issue if you give yourself an extra second or two when you start recording your demo. Okay, if we press resume, he's running out the door again. We're back in time. Now if I enter in 500, then oops, something looks wrong. Okay, 500 breaks the space-time continuum and causes him to turn to a freaky leg mutant. Actually, even though this looks nuts, I doubt this is a problem. I think it's just a glitch from being paused. I bet if we press play again, it will immediately look correct. Let's see. Yeah, see, he immediately snapped into place. And notice we can keep following him. When you record a demo in single player like this, it records all the data that's happening in the level. We don't have to be anywhere near the action to capture it. And that ends the demo again. Alright, that's basic movement and time seeking when using demos. One of the great things about demo recording is that it will play back the same way each time. So all you need is one good demo recording and you can get all your camera shots from that one demo. The only thing that will be different in demo playback are physics objects bouncing around. So things like ragdolls will look slightly different each time, but the sequence they move will be extremely similar in every playback. Alright, next up we're taking off the kid gloves and I'll show you how to use the demo smoother. This is what will let you perform almost any camera movement you can think of. You'll be able to create some really neat shots with this. Oh, and sorry about the leg thing. Hope I didn't give any of you nightmares.